So here's a demonstration of the Leviton occupancy sensor with dimming capability IPSD6. So I'm going to take out this box here. How can I show you my setup? So here's my setup. Okay, so under this box I've got the IPSD6 regular 3-way rocker switch, same setup as my previous video. Hot wire comes down, traveler, load. So the sensor is installed in the line location, not the load location. So as you can see, the bulb's off right now. So I'm going to turn off my lights, remove the box. There you go. So this is a luminous BR30 12 watts light in there. So it's supposed to be dimmable. However, when I actually press on the dimming, it says press and hold, it doesn't dim, just turns it off. So I don't know why. It's kind of odd. It also has the same problem with the IPS6 where if I put in the Part 20 7-watt bulb, it would always stay on. So here's a demonstration. So this is off right now. I take out the bulb. So you see how it was set a little bit on. Put in the covered my light switch. So in 30 seconds or so, this light should be off. However, you see that it's also not completely off. I'm wondering if I need to maybe double it up to have 2 loads to see if that'll work. Maybe that'll be my next video. See, it's off, but it's supposed to be off, but it's still on. Maybe it's just how this light bulb is. I don't know. It's kind of odd. I mean, it is dimmable. It's just 7 watts versus this one, which is 12 watts. So maybe if I load up 2, it'll be 14 watts. Maybe it'll fix this problem. I don't know. We'll see. So this is a follow-up video of my IPSD6 Leviton dimming occupancy sensor switch. So now I've got 2 7-watt LED light bulbs from Luminous. Okay, and as you can see, they are 14 watts, so they are still turning on even when it's off. So as you can see, if I remove the box, they come on, so they're much brighter. However, when they go off, it's still kind of on. So hopefully I'm gonna try out these other dimming switch and sensors, so maybe they'll work better, hopefully.